Hi everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import YouTube videos into CapCut on your PC or laptop, step by step. So let's get started. First, open any browser and go to YouTube. Search for the video you'd like to use in your CapCut project. It could be anything, a vlog, cinematic footage, or whatever you want to edit. Once you've selected the video, you can download it by clicking the download button below the video. You'll be able to choose the quality. By default, you can download up to standard 480p for free. If you want to download in higher quality, you'll need to purchase YouTube Premium. Once it's downloaded to your device, you're good to go. Next, open the CapCut app on your PC or laptop. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the official CapCut website. Inside CapCut, click on Create Project. Then, click on the Import button and locate the video you just downloaded. Select it, and then drag and drop it into your timeline. With the video now on your CapCut timeline, you're ready to start editing. Cut, trim, add text, anything else you like. And that's it. You have successfully imported a YouTube video into CapCut on your PC in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more easy guides and tech tips. Do you have any questions or video requests? Drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.